Hello, my friends. My name is Karen and I work at the York County Library in South Carolina. And welcome to our program for today, Poetry Corner for Kids. And our topic for today is cats. So you can see we have all kinds of poetry books just about kitty cats. And for dog lovers out there, we have dog books as well. So something to keep in mind. You wouldn't believe it. There are lots of poetry books just about animals. So there's some ideas there, but the book we are going to read from is the Bill Martin Jr. Big Book of Poetry. And we're going to read with permission from Simon Schuster. So thank you, Simon Schuster. Okay, and here's our poem, A Kitten. And it was written by Eleanor Farsian. He's nothing much but fur and two round eyes of blue. He has a giant purr and a midget meow. He darts and pats the air. He starts and cocks his ear when there is nothing there for him to see and hear. He runs around in rings, but why, we cannot tell. With a sideways leap, he springs at things invisible. Then, halfway through a leap, his startled eyeballs close, and he drops off to sleep with one paw on his nose. Sounds like a very active and imaginative kitten. Okay, so now with that poem as our inspiration, what I thought our challenge could be this time is to make a toy for our cat or our neighbor's cat. You can also check in with the animal shelter. Local animal shelters often will accept cat toys. So there are lots of ideas on how you can make a cat toy at home. And I thought this one is very handy. It takes a few pieces to get you started. Well, first is a piece of fabric. This is just a cotton square, about 8 inches by 8 inches. And then you need a goodie bag, one of those plastic goodie bags, or something similar that would make a good sound like that. And then you also need a piece of string, and this is just a strip of felt. So to put it together, what you'll do, you'll first crumble up the goodie bag, and then you want the pattern side of the fabric on the outside. So I'm going to lay it face down, and then I'm going to wrap that fabric around it so it overlaps. So then what you'll do is you'll tie the string around it and then tie this piece of fabric over top of it. Just something to give them a little more texture, something to play with. But see, it's got that nice crinkly sound. Your cat will go to town playing with it. Let me show you the final product. This is what it will look like. Ooh, I got caught. Once you've put it all together. So there's that. And I also want to mention that we have a take and make. It's available on the 19th through the 24th. So that 1 week, as supplies last, you can actually pick up a kit and take it home and make a cat toy. It's got all the supplies you need in it. So that is an option as well. All right, well, thanks for joining me. And be sure to check out our YouTube channel and Facebook channel. We've got more fun craft and story time things coming up. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.